Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about types of SEO and the techniques used by SEO, that is black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Okay. There are two types of search engine optimization. First one is the on-page search engine optimization and second is off-page search engine optimization. So we will see one by one what are these two types of search engine optimization. So the first type is on-page search engine optimization. It includes provision of good content, good keyword selection, putting keywords on correct places, giving appropriate title to every page, etc. So in case of on-page SEO, it provides or it includes the provision of good content, good keyword selection, then how you are putting your keywords on the websites on the correct places and appropriate title. Okay. If you have some piece of content that you are creating for your website, let's say it's a one blog, so obviously you will have to research and understand what people are looking for. Okay, the first is the research and then find out what search queries will people actually use. So the second step is search queries, and then next it is very simple to implement those search queries as a part of your content. Okay, so the most important is good keyword selection. Okay, in case of on-page SEO, it can have a big positive impact on your overall Google ranking. How you are placing your keywords on your web page. So, I am going to take one step at a time with an on-page SEO. If you use good keywords and appropriate titles, then your web page or your website will get higher ranking in the Google search engine. For example, you might have most beautiful and most useful content in the world, but if that content is not seen by people, then or maybe it is not distributed to the right target, then that content is useless. Okay, then that is the biggest loss of your website. So that is the on page SEO. I think all of you understand this concept on page SEO, that is selection of good keywords, putting keywords on correct places and giving appropriate title to every page. Now in the second part I am going to teach you how to take that beautiful content that you work so hard for and really promote it to the right channel and to the right target audience. So, off-page SEO means it includes link building, increasing link popularity by submitting open directories, search engines, and link exchange, so that you will get relevant traffic and they like your content. Means if you are using proper title, proper keywords for any search queries, then they like your content, and that is off page SEO. Okay, so on page SEO looks at what your site is about and off page SEO looks at how authoritative and popular your site is. So in case of on page SEO, it selects good content, good keywords and good title, and in case of off page SEO, it is mostly used for building of linking and website to website linking. Okay, so mostly off page SEO is used for ranking of your website, that is how high you rank to your website. So on page SEO, that is search engine optimization, and off page SEO, are very important things to learn as a part of search engine optimization. Now we are going to talk about an interesting technique, that is search engine optimization techniques. First is white hat and second is black hat technique. So in case of white hat technique, it contains relevant content, means that websites contains relevant content, well labeled images, relevant link and references, complete sentences with good spelling and grammar, and standard complaint HTML, unique and relevant page titles. So in case of white hat technique, it contains all these points. Okay, so it is relevant to your search query. Okay, all the data and images and the document information, all these are relevant or related to your search query. And in case of black hat technique, it contains duplicate content, that is copyright. Second, invisible text and stuffed keywords. Then clocking or redirecting the user to another site or page, and links from site with non-relevant contents, means there are some links on the website which are not relevant to your search queries. Okay, means when you click on that uh, link, then it doesn't gives you proper result. Okay, and it also redirecting the user to another site or a page. Sometimes when we are downloading any software, okay, at that time sometimes what happen, it opens the some links, okay, which are not related to our software. Okay, that is, it redirected us to another web page. Okay, or we directly jump to the other web page. So these are the black hat techniques. Okay, now I will explain you this briefly, that is what is white hat and what is black hat SEO. When Google is going to rank your website, and in order to rank your website, it requires 4 to 8 months. But there are some people who find some shortcuts to rank on Google quickly. But it can be very short lived, because Google is filled with smartest IT professionals, and very soon they can definitely catch these websites. Which websites? Those who are using shortcuts. So the techniques that people are using are of two types, that is the black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Google has its guidelines. If you go to Google, search something like Google Webmaster Guidelines, then it is going to list you all the guidelines that Google consider in order to rank your website. And if you follows that guidelines, then it is good for you, that is, it is good for your website. And due to this, your website is going to rank, and it is going to be long term. The people who follow the Google Webmaster Guidelines, they are called as white hat SEO. Okay, so they follow all the rules which are explained by Google. Okay, Google Webmaster. On the other hand, there are some people that is I said, who are impatient. Okay, they look for shortcuts and they can rank quickly, but they could also be out of the search result. So the people who do not follow the Google guidelines are called as black hat search engine optimization. So I hope that's clear to you. Okay, now I hope all of you understand what is black hat SEO and what is white hat SEO. So if you follow Google's guidelines, you are considered white hat SEO. And on the other hand, if you did not follow, or if you did bad job looking for shortcuts and want to rank higher, you could do that, but Google is going to catch you. That is the black hat SEO. Okay, in the next session we are going to talk about optimizing website. Okay, so how to optimize your website for SEO. Okay.